Most days I love driving at night, so this evening I'm bringing you along. And what better place to start in this 27-year-old Rav4 than the Toyota dealership. If I'm not the only one, please let me know whether or not you enjoy night drives and also what car you drive if you'd like to share your experiences. I do take the time to read all the comments down below and respond to as many as I can. This 1998 Rav4 has the 5-speed manual transmission, full-time all-wheel drive with a center-locking diff, and a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder producing about 127 horsepower. While I've only owned it for almost 5 months, it has been a fabulous vehicle to me, and my favorite own in a while. For a daily driver, it has all the capability and luxuries, so to speak, that I could need, packed into a playful and modest package. While it is not the safest ride, I enjoy using it to commute with occasional travel. The sound system is also impressive for such a basic vehicle. I do enjoy the power windows and the power locks. I'll stop talking now and let you guys enjoy the drive. I appreciate you being here, and if you're interested in more videos, let me know down below what else you would like to see, and feel free to check out my other videos.